Cargo hold high-pressure washing is a critical maintenance process that ensures our ships are ready for the next cargo. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about preventing contamination and maintaining the integrity of the vessel. When we talk about high-pressure washing, we're referring to a powerful method that effectively removes residues and contaminants left behind from previous shipments. This process is essential for keeping our cargo holds pristine. To perform this task safely and efficiently, it's crucial to follow a step-by-step guide. First, we begin with a thorough pre-inspection of the cargo hold. This involves checking the lighting, ventilation, and ladders, as well as identifying any stubborn residues or damaged areas. It's vital to ensure that we're aware of any hidden spaces that may pose risks during cleaning. Next, we set up our equipment properly. This includes connecting the high-pressure machine, ensuring that hoses are secured, and verifying that pressure gauges are calibrated. It's important to check for leaks before we start. Adjusting the pressure is another key step. Different cargo types may require different pressure levels for effective cleaning. When it comes to the actual cleaning technique, using the Combi Gun with controlled, sweeping movements is essential. Starting from the top and working down helps avoid direct sprays on electrical components, which could lead to accidents. Controlled movements are crucial for efficient residue removal and ensuring safety. However, we must also be aware of the potential dangers associated with high-pressure washing. Direct exposure to high-pressure water can cause severe injuries, and wet surfaces can lead to slips and falls. This is why wearing proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, is non-negotiable. Industrial gloves, safety helmets, non-slip boots, waterproof suits, and eye protection are all essential to keep us safe while we work. Beyond personal safety, we must ensure our equipment is in good condition. Regular inspections of the high-pressure machine, hoses, and nozzles help us avoid malfunctions during operation. Additionally, maintaining proper ventilation in enclosed cargo holds is crucial for safety. Fresh airflow can prevent hazardous situations, and having an emergency response plan in place is vital for quick action if something goes wrong. Compliance with international regulations is another critical aspect of cargo hold washing. Organizations like the International Maritime Organization and SOLAS set stringent standards that we must adhere to. Understanding these regulations not only keeps us compliant, but also enhances safety during operations. Finally, knowing how to respond to high-pressure injuries is essential. Immediate first aid can make a significant difference in outcomes. Simple actions like cleaning a wound with sterile water and applying a bandage can be life-saving. Regular training in first aid and emergency response ensures that we are prepared for any situation. By following these best practices and safety guidelines, we can ensure that our cargo holds are not only clean, but that we also maintain the safety and well-being of our crew. Proper techniques lead to efficiency and safety in every maritime operation.